Hello viewers, today I'm going to tell you few common differences between AC and DC currents. So viewers, if you want to get more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get upcoming videos notification. Here, look at the comparison number 1. AC means alternating current, A for alternating and C for current. AC changes its direction periodically. Here in this below diagram I have shown sine wave form of AC frequency. There is also another kind of AC frequency like trapezoidal wave, triangular wave, square wave. But here I have shown only sine wave form of AC frequency. You can see sometimes frequency wave is in plus and sometimes is in minus. Look at the DC column. DC means direct current, D for direct and C for current. DC current flows only in one direction. You can see frequency wave is only in one side. Comparison number 2. In case of AC, the magnitude of the current vary with time. Look here, this time this much, this time this much, and this time this much. Look at the DC column. In case of DC, the magnitude of current may be constant or vary with time, but only in one direction. Here in this diagram, you can see red line is constant and in only one direction, but the blue line varied with time. Comparison number 3. In case of AC, AC can be converted into DC using a rectifier, and in case of DC, DC can be converted into single phase or 3-phase AC using an inverter. Comparison number 4. Energy cannot be stored in AC form directly. If AC fails to provide, then we have to use another AC sources. And in case of DC, energy can be stored in direct DC form in batteries. Comparison number 5. In case of AC, voltage can be changed easily using a transformer, but in DC, voltage cannot be changed easily. Complex power circuits are required to change DC voltage. Comparison number 6. AC is not portable. It can be generated using a portable generator. Look at the DC column. DC can be carried around in the form of battery. So it is used in portable electronic devices like mobiles, laptops, etc. Comparison number 7. AC power cannot be transmitted for very long distance due to technical problem, but power in DC form can be transmitted for very long distance as in high voltage DC. Comparison number 8. Here in AC, AC power transmission is economical for a small distance, and in DC, HVDC power transmission is economical for long distance. Look at this diagram. Here this line is total cost and this line is distance, and red line is AC transmission line cost and blue line is DC transmission line cost. Look, gradually with its distance, cost of AC is also increasing, but in DC it was costly than the AC before this point, and after this point DC becomes cheaper than the AC. Comparison number 9. In AC, two generating stations with different frequency cannot be connected together directly, and in DC, two generating stations with different frequency can be connected together using HVDC transmission. Comparison number 10. The frequency of AC is 50 Hz or 60 Hz depending upon the country. The frequency in India is 50 Hz, and in DC the frequency of pure DC is 0. It may have high frequency wave. So viewers, if you like my tutorial, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.